Good morning, all of the patties. What is good right now? I'm cooking right now. Hit my UJ win in a U30 trade right now. Got a little warm-up going. You know, I need that warm-up. Rejecting a little bit hard off my EMA, though. Let's push this thing back up. I'd like to go TP1 in a second here if I can. If we could get that back to 2,000. Yeah, let's TP1 right there. Let's TP1 right there. Okay, 4,000. Let's TP1 at 4,000. Let's pull TP1. Let's pull TP. Let's take a partial. Okay, that's 2,000 in my pocket right there. All right. We're starting. Let me get the chat up. I got to see what's going on in the chat. Haven't had a warm-up trade in a minute, but I was up. I'm on my grind set. Man, maybe I should have took that whole trade off the table. Let's see if we could TP2 up here, I guess. Okay, that's where TP2 is going to be. Woo-wee. Working a little bit of US 30. Now, already hit a UJ trade already. Nothing special here. Trend line break. Bad risk reward ratio, obviously. No problem. I just wanted to catch this trend line break, so I caught a little pullback there. Caught a quick win this evening for about $1,200 in VIP. Nothing wrong with that. Obviously, I got my US 30 going right now. Seeing if we could pull this one up to a TP2. Now, there is a problem this morning. I hate to see there's a problem. RR left the chart. Yeah, that's right. 1 second. Let's get my macros running. Let's get the docs up. Gotta get my YouTube panel up so I can see who the hell's in here. And we can get this chat going. How's everybody doing in the chat? 353. So if you're lucky, look, there's only 300 people in here. I know we got news, which sucks again. That's why I wanted to get this trade in early, so that I can at least have one trade before the news hits. Still going to be looking for trades, obviously, but wanted to get one trade before the news hit. Yeah, I backtest almost every day, Zeus. But my backtests basically just showed me that I shouldn't be trading the news. I didn't trade the news in VIP. I took a news. Yeah, shirts off. I don't know why we're tarps off all of a sudden, but shout out to Eska, shout out to EAG, Ryan, Mura, GR. Let's make some money today. Obviously, what I'm doing here is not financial advice. It is education and entertainment only. This thing's pushing. I don't want you to copy my trades. What I do here on stream is a little bit different than what I do on my really big personal accounts, and it's very different than what I do in VIP. On stream, because I'm on stream, sometimes I'll take trades that the viewers want me to take. Sometimes I'll take trades that are just a little bit riskier than I would normally take. Trading during news, that sort of thing. I don't do on my personal accounts. I don't do that in the VIP trading room, but I do it on stream. I know people say don't do it on stream, but stream gets a little boring when we're not placing trades. So sometimes we take risks we wouldn't normally take for the stream, and that's absolutely fine. I'm sorry, Low-K. I hope you don't blow your 5K, brother. Hopefully we can get some wins today. Yeah, we got a lot of Ryans. You got to rename. You got to rename your Ryan. You should change your name to OG Ryan. I'm about to hit TP2 here. On my warm-up position. I wanted to get this in before the news at 10 a.m. I haven't done a warm-up trade in a long time, but I did like this trade. It was a significant pullback to a good level of support. That was enough for me to jump in on U30. Still trying to get this close here. Sitting at about 2,000 in profit and 2,000 already in my pocket. And we're rejecting off of that level. Maybe I put my take profit just an inch too high. But we're going to hold this one, see how we do. We got about 490 people in here right now. That's awesome. Happy to see you today. And I am very close to hitting that TP2. And come on, baby. Come on, baby. That's going to put me at well over 5,000 on the day if I hit. Already hit a UJ for 1,200. Hit the partial on this one for 2,000. And we are about to smash TP. Come on, baby. Get there. Get there. It's like a horse. Come on. Come on. Let's start the day right, baby. Let's start the day right. What are you rejecting right off the tip? That's right off the tip of my day. You know what I'm saying. I'm happy to hear that, Saiba Sudeva. I'm always happy too. Now, we do have news again at 10 a.m. This is a U30 trade. This is my warm-up trade this morning. I can't believe I didn't hit take profit there. That's not a good sign for the day. That's a bad omen. Oh, W is in the chat. Calcadan Crypto. Calcadan. Hello, Calcadan. Oh, Ryan, don't get off of my tip, Ryan. And don't tell everyone about us, all right? That's just between us. Was I right yesterday? Good. Oh, someone said we should find who was right yesterday? Yeah, we always got to find who's right. Shout out to Bondi Beach in Australia. Do we get a spin if this hits take profit too? Definitely we're going to spin if this hits take profit too. I also have a broker deal that I want to talk about. I'm going to be giving some free VIP. I've never done this. I'm only going to do this for a week or two. Hide the Rolex? Yeah, the Rolex is good luck. We're still doing all right. I think we're still 70-80% win rate with the Rolex. We're all right. Where is my Instagram? Instagram is in the video description if you want to follow me there. I generally post about my live trades. Just changes I'm doing to my strategy, what I'm monitoring in the markets. I'm hoping this trade finishes soon so we could get started on some new trades. Really get started. You can see on the top left, this is a US 30 trade. Do you think we're going to get TP2 here? How are you guys feeling about this one? Are we feeling TP2? Come on. Stop teasing me. Damn, these candles are moving wild right now. Stop teasing me. I think we're going to hit it. Come on now. We're going to blow right through with these candles. This is the one. This is the one. This is the one. Come on. Oh, come on. What are you rejecting off of that level again, you loser? Oh, come on. What are you doing to me? I got other pairs to look at. Hit my TP2 so that I could look at your charts. I want to look at charts for the boys. Going to the gym, you want me to analyze gold before you go to the gym. All right. 2 more minutes. Two more minutes. I'll do my analysis. This is going to close, I promise. All right. Food is done. Rocast, it took me a couple of years, although I was profitable with robots, with trading robots, before I was actually profitable manual trading, which is a bit weird. Morning, Arctic Dan. Morning, Dorian the Beast. Happy to have you here. Morning, Nico. I'll be looking at your charts in a second. I know. You want me to look at gold. I'll look at gold in a second for you. I really wanted that TP2. Okay, it's time to look at your charts. Whose charts? Your charts. Let's start with gold. And we're also going to see what Vipul thinks about today in terms of our charts as well. My analyst, Vipul, is always with us in the background, chatting. All right, let's go ahead and start with gold. Gold, we're pulling back to a very nice level. That would be my point of interest down there. Let's see if price pulls back down to that level. Now, I would want to get a break out the top though first. Okay. I want the price to break out the top. Then come back, okay, like this. That's what I'd be looking for on gold this morning. And that's a decent setup right there. Shout out to South Korea. I've been to South Korea before. I hope you don't mind if I do an Asian voice every once in a while. I promise it's endearing. I actually dated a Korean girl for 7 years. I told a story about it a long time ago when I first started the stream. It was quite disgusting. And no one ever wants to hear that again, so I think we'll leave that story in the past. I'm also looking at, so gold, that's the gold setup. I'm looking at US CAD for a potential buy this morning here. Now we're obviously in a pretty choppy range right now, but we are in an overall uptrend. We are creating the range high and the range low right now. You can see this is the range high right now. It's being pushed up, and the range low right here. So we're going to want to see a break out the top, maybe respect our level and come back down here to trade. Just a simple pullback setup on our range here, as long as our levels hold. You can see here, level held here. Recent price actions looking pretty good. So that's a potential setup for us right there. GBP CAD long. I don't think I have that. I think that's an exotic. I don't think I have good spreads on GBP CAD. That's why I don't have it. Yeah, bad spreads on GBP CAD. So sorry, Saiva Sudeva, but we can't scalp bad spreads. Trade Locker, just use TradingView for your analysis, then place your trade with Trade Locker. I do TradingView for my analysis, and then I place my trades. Oh yeah, we're getting a good reaction here. I place my trades in MetaTrader, so you know you could do the same thing. Analyze in one platform. TradingView is just the best platform to analyze in. Come on now. Please, baby, please. Let's go. Up. Make sure that you smash the like button. Hey, if it's your first time here, please give me a subscribe. Please like the video. If you hit that like button, it gets everybody involved, gets everybody happy. And if you'll hit the like button, it pushes the trade up to take profit too, and then I spin the wheel for free VIP. Who wants free VIP? Everybody. And I've got a free VIP deal that I'm going to be talking about today. Deposit $300 with AAA FX. I'll give you free gold and free Forex signals for an entire month. If this is an idea I have to just get people trading. It's a new month. The summer's over. I want to get people trading. I want to get people into the broker, placing some trades. Do I use fair value gaps? Absolutely. 4 a.m. in Bangladesh. W is in the chat for Desirous IT. That's unbelievable. All right, let's go back to some pairs. As someone said Euro USD, someone said UJ. Let's take a look and see here. UJ, what's with the Lux algo here? Let's get off of my screen. You look stupid. There you go. All right, so been a downtrend, but we broke out and we have now respected this level. So recent price, use that as resistance right here, using it as support right here. What would I want to see? I'd want to see a break out the top. Oh no, I just went break even here. All right, so I am out on my US 30. Put 2,000 in my pocket, so I'm up over 3,200 this morning already from this trade, and also the VIP trade. I had a VIP UJ win already. You could see in my VIP trading room right down here, we hit about 13 pips on this VIP winner right here. Just a quick entry on a pullback, perfect entry. You could see that was a perfect sniper entry, and then we slammed down, hit TP1 very quickly. So obviously I'm happy about that. Gold, nothing yet, but I'm looking for gold trades for the gold room this morning. The free room, nothing in the free room. We had 6 straight wins in the free room and then lost one, sadly. Upgrade the Telegram bro. What does that mean, Jerry? This is, I have multiple Telegrams. This is not my phone. This is a different phone. What trade did you enter on, DZX? There's no losing trade yet. We won VIP and we won the stream trade here so far. Oh, you entered on that free trade? Yeah, we had 6 free trade wins in a row and we've lost 1. So that's awesome. That's an awesome win rate, and that's about 1-to-1. About the offer I just mentioned. Okay, yeah, I could talk about that offer a little bit, but I'm gonna look for some trades as well. Look, it's 947 now. We hit a winner. We have the top of the range here. Vapul's going to have to give us some more charts. I'll talk about this deal a couple of times today, okay? So this is the deal right here, okay? It's free VIP broker deal. I'm only going to do this for 2 weeks. I'm going to put a video up about this soon. You're the first people hearing about it. I just thought of this overnight. So what I want to do is I want to get more people trading. So I want you to, 1, register through my link. It's in the video description to AAAFX. 2, you deposit $300 at least. You can deposit more if you want. There is a 300% bonus. You can claim that if you want. So if you deposit $400, $500, you could claim a 300% deposit bonus, and actually you would have $1,500 in the account, okay? Then you just email me and I'll give you free VIP in gold for an entire month. Last month, the VIP room was 23 wins, 7 losses for a 13.44% gain. So it's a good time to join. We're hot. We won a trade this morning. This is the deal. I will do a video on this and I'll provide a link later. But I just want to get some people trading. So if you're interested in this, this is it. So that's it. All right. If that interests you, please do it. If not, that's fine too. But let's get trading. All right. So we're looking for a breakout here on UCAD. We're looking at an NZD USD short as well. And while I'm talking to you, I'm looking at all of these things. That's our range right there. What's our range here? It's about 15 pips. It's not bad. Hoping to get a break out the bottom here. You can see here, hoping to get a break out the bottom of this range and a break of the trend line as well, and then going short probably from this level up here. Yeah, maybe this level here. You can see we got kind of the, if you use this and this and this would be your kind of your second shoulder, kind of that head and shoulders pattern. That's kind of what I would be interested in right there, but we have to close below. Are we getting breaks anywhere else? GU is the same setup. Let's take a look at GU. UJ long is looking pretty good. Let's take a look at UJ long. Yeah, looking, we're at the bottom of our range. And we're sitting above this level right here. So we're looking for a break out the top of the range right here. That's what we're looking for. And then we want to have a pull beezy. We want that pull back, you know? So there we would be looking to get long somewhere at the bottom of the range like this. Okay, something like that happens to overlap ideally with what our EMA right there. Would be a bit of an EMA entry. That's decent. Price action's decent. It's on our side. Look, like that. Okay, something like that looks pretty good to me. Yeah, we're gonna want to trade after the high impact news. Yesterday we traded during the high impact news, and that created some problems. And the thing is, we even shouldn't be trading the news at all, because what's going to happen with the news, it's going to mess the price action up, and it's just going to be less clear what we would do clear. You know what I mean? It's just less clear. US 30. Yeah, US 30, look, it's reacting off of my level. I already won one trade off of this level. Looks like might win another trade off of this level had I entered there. Geez, nice looking candle, huh? Euro USD, let's take a look. GU, yeah, similar. Want to get a breakout the top there. It depends, Waro, but yeah, it is safer to skip news days altogether. Absolutely, right? News messes up the price action, makes it more difficult to trade. I traded this morning on VIP and won a trade like, you know, at like 1 a.m. I didn't want to deal with the news today, so that's why I did that. Euro Swiss franc broke. Let's take a look at it. Broke out the bottom. I don't know what the hell I would do here. Yeah, it's looking a bit bearish here, isn't it? Yeah, we're gonna wait anyways. We got about 10 minutes. Hey guys, please smash the like button, eh? What are we doing here? There's only 700 people in here. Please smash that like button. I appreciate every single one of you. Let's hit that like button. Let's get some more people in here, so more people start trading our strategy, more people join our community. That's what it's all about. Thanks, Mark Olivier. Appreciate you. Thank you so much. Here's a setup right here on US dollar Swiss franc. We'll be looking for a break. We need to break out the bottom, or we need to break out the top, right? Candle's got to close out the bottom, or it's got to close out the top. That's going to give us an idea of what we want to do. So UJ Long I've been looking to get into. It doesn't look like we're going to get into that yet. We do have news coming. Shout out to Malik. Shout out to Najib. You want me to take a look at gold again? Gold is still trading within the range. See, gold is still trading within the range. We'd like to have a break out the top or the bottom of the range to really get an understanding of where gold is going to go next, okay? Yeah, I'll definitely see if I can make a profitable trade today. I already had a profitable trade. Maybe you joined late. I already won a trade on US 30 here, you could see. I won the trade, and then I went to break even here, right? So we won this position. I won about 2,000 there. Join the stream earlier. Make sure that you don't miss all the wins, okay? What else am I looking at right there? I was talking about this right here. We got the free VIP broker deal. Let's take a look at this chart right here. So this is the retail trader survival curve, right? So basically what this is showing us that after about 20 months, there's almost no traders left. This is 0%, right? This is 20% right here. So you could see after about 10 months, 20% of the 100% are still trading. After about 20 months, you could see that number is down to about, what, about 3%, something like that. And then it just continues to go down. Now, the people right here, that's me. That's your alphas. And that could be you as well, right? Now, if this scares you, if this chart scares you, it shouldn't scare you, right? tons of people are losers and they stick with nothing, okay? Even think about your own life. You know, you try something for a week, you're out, right? You're gone. Most people, they try things, 2 weeks, they're gone. By 3 weeks, you know, this is 5 months, you're already at 60% of the people are gone, but no one does anything for 5 months, you know what I mean? Everyone leaves, so don't be scared by this number. Just try and be this. Because if you get there, you're a profitable trader and you have what it takes, okay? I'm here. I want you to join me, all right? Okay, TP1 here already. Yeah. Bitcoin USD. How come you don't trade after seeing the news flow? I am going to trade after seeing the news flow today. We're going to see what happens with the news. Let's go ahead and take a look at the news right here. Give this a quick refresh. We have JOLTS job openings coming in 3 minutes and 14 seconds. This is what's going on this morning. 3 minutes and 10 seconds. Wow, this is exciting. So this measures the number of job openings during the reported month, excluding the farming industry. So basically, the U.S. wants to see the actual greater than the forecast. So the forecast is 7.38 million. That is the forecasted number. If we could come in higher than 7.38, that's going to be good for the US dollar. That's good for the currency right there. See? That's good for the currency. So let's see what happens there. We'll find out in about 2 minutes and 30 seconds, and that can help give us some flavor, help us with our trades. I think, look, we hit 62,000 followers. Thank you for giving me a follow on here. What do we got going on this story? We got a little bit of my US dollar Japanese yen VIP trade, 1,200 already this morning. Good morning, and 2,000 in my US 30 position live on stream. So I'm up big already. I think I'm going to bring the lot size down a little bit today, because when I'm in a losing trade and it's like $3,000 or $4,000, the chat loses their mind, and I do not want the chat to lose their mind, okay? Sure, I could take a look at Bitcoin for you. Bitcoin right now has broken out the top of the range and closed. You can see right there. So there is a potential to enter a buy position on Bitcoin this morning, but we have to see what happens with the news, because Bitcoin is paired with the US dollar, right? So if it's paired with the US dollar, what does that mean? That means that it's going to have a reaction to the news, right? So Bitcoin's going to react to the news, right? If the US dollar is strong, then we could see this chart go down, right? If the jobs number is strong, we could see that go down. If the jobs numbers are weak, we could see Bitcoin go up, right? That is the correlation. What about oil? Let's take a look at oil. What's up, Lee? What's up, Jesus Wong? What's up, Geraldine? How do I do a partial close? I have a video on that on my channel. Go through the shorts section of my YouTube channel, please. I do not play Clash Royale. I'm actually not playing any video games right now. For many years, I was a big gamer. When I was 17, I was one of the top 100 Counter-Strike 1.6 players in the world. I played in the Cal Invite League. I was one of the best players in the world. Probably the top 2 or 3 Canadians in the world at Counter-Strike. But I'm not saying that I would do that today. I think that there's a lot more talent today. All right, so what's going on with the news? Let's go over and see now how the news is reacting. It is pending, as you could see right here. Let's see if we could get a reaction and make... Yeah, DE does too, baby. Janine, you look gorgeous. Shout out to all of the Canadians. No, never messed around with the Silk Road. Was never really much into drugs. Still not into drugs. Still not really into drinking. My only drug is... Ooh, down. down. That number is way lower, way lower. We're going to see US dollar weakness, so we should see some Bitcoin strength. You could see there we came a fair bit lower, expecting this, where we're 200,000 jobs lower than expected. I'm not happy. I make the most jobs. I get all the jobs. So many jobs. I don't know why I don't have any jobs. Oh, Silk Road online game. Okay, I don't know, Ahmed. I guess I didn't play that game then. All right, so gold should be showing some strength. As you can see now, we are starting to see some strength in gold. We should see some strength in Bitcoin as well. You can see we are getting some bulls coming into the market as we have some US dollar weakness today. You could see here on US CAD where we were thinking buys for US CAD, but now that news has come in, price is pushed down aggressively there. Big reaction here, I would say. You say no big reaction? That's a huge reaction right there on US CAD. I am in no positions right now. I got out of my US 30. I was in a US 30. Look at the DXY. There's your reaction. US dollar slamming down on the DXY right there. Okay, that's the US dollar index. It's slamming down. Now we're gonna have to wait 5 or 10 minutes to see when we could get into a setup though. All right, we're gonna have to wait a few minutes. Yeah, $200,000 below expectations is quite a bit. When I trade at night, my method is not the same. Like, I'm using most of the same concepts. I just don't have the orb. I like that I have the orb in New York. It gives me that extra confluence. If I don't have it at night, I'll just be trading kind of trend line breaks, support resistance levels, liquidity grabs, fake outs, that sort of thing. Just using the price action to the best of my ability. From what period of time are the 45 wins and 12 losses? Julia, the trading record would have started when I started doing the streams. I started doing the streams in June. So June, July, August. So it's been about 3 months. I trade 3 times per week. And during that time, we've got, what, 57 trades, 45 wins. So it's been a really awesome time on stream. Is Pat actually making profit online? Yes, Cooper, I've been making a lot of profit. I've been making profit for a better part of 16 years with trading. I don't even need to do trading. I don't need to do this. I don't need to stream at all. I do mention that every once in a while. I don't need to do this. I actually like to do this. I like to trade in front of you. I like to trade with you. And I'm going to be trading anyways. Let's go take a look at US 100. US 30 is probably pumping as well. No, US 30 is going the other. Oh, no, that's oil. US 30, a little bit of pump. Got a huge pump here. Right off of the bottom of our range and the EMA right there. Your CAD. I think your CAD's a bad spread though, guys. Let me see. Yeah, your CAD's about 1.2 pips. I don't like trading bad spreads, guys. Yeah, definitely getting the reaction there, although I guess euro strength over the Canadian dollar at the same time. US dumping here. That just sucks. I really want this strong US dollar at some point to beat up on this Canadian dollar. Get me back over here, man. Get me back over there. Give me that 40% on my conversion. I want the big conversions. It makes me richer when the Canadian dollar is weak. I know Canadians, they hate me for that, but I want a weak Canadian dollar. When I trade, I make US dollars. So I want to convert them. EU, let's go take a look at EU for Mo 13. This is, I don't know what the hell we're going to be able to get, guys. The news is kind of messing us up here, right? The price action's kind of terrible right now. So we may have to do a chat trade. I don't know if I'm gonna have a trade myself, because this is kind of ruining the price action for me. I don't know how to react to something like that. You know what I mean? What's up, Edward? What's going on? Shout out to Edward. Let's get some likes in here. Yeah, so this looks pretty nice. Obviously, we now have a demand level down here where we could enter a trade. Sorry, let's get back to GU. What the hell's going on here? Get off my screen. So we now have a level of demand right here where we could enter a trading position, but the news really messed us up. It's hard to understand what's going to happen with the news because it's not real price action, it's news price action. So I'm not sure what I'll be able to get, but I could take this one. Yeah, we're going to just have to be patient here. Maybe we get the trade in 10 minutes, maybe we get the trade in 20 minutes. This is kind of the only idea we really have here. It looks decent, right? It looks decent. I would not be confident in this, okay? Well, 24 pips. I don't know if we're gonna get all the way down on that. Is that really 24 pips away? That's a big candle, man. Yeah, the video trading a small account, John. I've got a couple of wins on the account already. And so I will be doing that kind of small trading account. You want me to take a look at gold? Gold's probably pumping right now, huh? Gold's kind of coming back to the level that I liked, but it never broke out the top of my range, you see? I wanted to have to break out the top of the range. If I can't get that, I'm not going to trade it. But it's a level that I really like. You know, if it wasn't 9:30, if it was later in the afternoon or something, I'd probably just be taking it off of that level. The gold video is coming out soon. I was actually watching the video yesterday. Let me see if I could give you a bit of a snippet of the video. It's kind of a new style as well here on the video. Let me put my headphones on for this one. Oh, my baby's here. Hi, sweetie. All right, that's all you get. Uppies to dada. Uppies to dada. Oh, jeez. I got caught. I got caught. Yeah, I know what you mean about the orb. It's not really. With the news, it kind of messes the orb up, doesn't it? So do you guys like that edit? You excited to see those gold tips? Yes, you are. You should do huggies.
I did songs and animal songs.
Animal songs?
Yeah.
Oh, yeah. Say hi, chat.
Hi, Cat.
Oh, hi, chat. Oh, she's so sweet. Yeah, that looks pretty cool, right, Mo? They're trying a new editing style on this one. I like it. I think it looks dope.
Light on.
Lights on, yeah. That just gets you all wrapped up, huh? In a big huggy. Is that cozy? Oh.
Wrap up.
You want wrap up? Okay. So we're just hanging out right now. I'm seeing a lot of likes. Thank you for the likes for Naomi. Yeah, let's get some likes here going for Naomi. We're going to see if we can get some trades going here live on stream shortly. We've been just kind of waiting for the news to play out a little bit. Okay, Dom asks, buy or sell. Can you say either buy or sell?
Buy.
Buy or sell?
Buy, sell.
Well, I guess she wants both. We're going to have to make 2 trades. That's right, Bentakush. Naomi is our good luck charm. When Naomi is here, we tend to win. Oh, funded FX Hustle. Shout out to you for all those hearts.
This one.
That one, yeah, the like button. You want to press this one? This one? Oh, Naomi pressed the like button. You want to press the money button? Oh, look at that. That's the money. The flying money. GU. Yeah, we were looking for a bit of a pullback here. Not sure we're going to get it. Yeah, the ORB, I don't know. Nasi Hundi. At a real resistance level here. Yeah, the news is just making this difficult. Yeah, you want to press the like button? Okay, we got to turn this one off first. And then you press this one. Okay, you gotta go. Out the door. Bye, babies. Everybody say bye, Naomi. Oof, I'm hot in the sweater today. Oil sells. Yeah, if gold comes to my level down here, I may just trade it off of this level. Even without the orb, I know that's tough, but news kind of messed today up a little bit. A lot of buys in the chat. Thanks, everybody. So, what do you guys want to see right now? What do you guys want to see me do? Long at midline, broke the trend line. Let's take a look at the EU buy for Ryan. Ryan likes this trend line right here. And then he said he went long at the midline. So he took off a while ago. Good for you, Ryan. Ryan does like the tip. Thank you for all those likes. What other trades can we get here? You know, I don't really like the price action after the news, but if you guys are interested in it, I will do a chat trade if you want. Is anyone interested in me doing a chat trade? What do we think about a chat trade? Look, I'm able to draw this on the chart right now. Yeah, I think a chat trade. And then obviously if you pick the trade and you win, if I pick your trade and you win, you get free VIP for an entire month, okay? A chat trade is a trade that someone in chat picks. And then we discuss, we make polls. Yeah, it is safer to skip the entire day when there is news. Yesterday I traded the news and I was an idiot and I lost. So I don't think that I'm going to have a trade myself today. And that means I think it's a good idea for us to take a chat trade, okay? The gold pullback is coming soon. Potentially, yeah, potentially that would be mine, but I didn't get the breakout the top, so it's not really my main, not really a great setup for me. Sell US oil. Okay, where do you want me to sell oil from? Someone said sell oil. Okay, where are we selling oil from? Are we selling oil from here? Is that where we're selling oil from? This is the chat trade. I can sell it right now. We need a pullback here. We're still pullback traders. EU long at 116,700. Let's see that. 116,700. He wants to go long right there. Let's see. Ask the chat. Poll. Ask the. Let's do it. Let's do the chat. Chat trade poll. All right, here we go. Poll is up. Do you guys want me to go long here? This is a chat trade. Right now it's 50% yes, 50% no. If it's no, I'll just pick another trade. Doesn't matter. AUD CAD buy at the bottom of the orb. Let's take a look at AUD CAD buy at the bottom of the orb. Isn't AUD CAD a terrible exotic? Do I have... Oh no, it's not terrible. It's about 1 pip spread. I just don't know why I don't have AUD CAD. I'm gonna have to add it. Okay, there it is. AUD CAD at the bottom of the orb. Alright, no one wants the euro, so no to the euro. Let's end the poll. 50-50, it's not good enough. We're not taking the euro. Do you guys want me to go buys at the bottom of the orb? Chat trade. Let's start another poll. Do you like this AUD CAD trade? Let's see the votes on this one. Spread's not bad on mine, actually. I'm only 1 pip spread on this. We could take this. We're at 63%. Yes, people are definitely much more into this trade. Chat trade, chat trade. EU just took off. Yeah, so we weren't gonna get our entry, but hey, had a right idea. I missed your gold. What's your gold? Your gold was a buy right there. Okay, so people are in on the AUD CAD. Oh, did I just close this limit order, or did you close the limit order? Vapool, I'm not sure what just happened there. Alright, so we got 1 limit order set up. If it comes here, this is chat trade. Let's get another one. I'm not gambling. No, I'm doing chat trades, AT Studios. There's a very big difference between gambling and chat trades. Chat trades are trades given by my chat. The people in our community know what they are doing, so it's not really a gamble. Now, are these trades that I would take? No, because it's a news day. I don't even want to trade at all today. Could be some chat gambling. Yeah, that's fine. These are all chat trades right now. I see I already won my UJ trade, and so I've already won 2 trades today. Okay. I'm 2-0. Now I'm going to trade to, you know, give us something to look at, give us something to watch. GBP JPY 198496. Let's take a look at that. GJ. Okay, so this is our trades right here. Let's get it going. GJ. Let's take a GJ 19. Where the hell did that go? I lost you. There's so many people freaking talking. Guys, if you're going to give me a trade, tell me where you want the trade to be, okay? CAD JPY sell, I don't care. Say CAD JPY sell at what level? Okay, 198496 GJ buy. That's so far. 198496. It's not going to come down here during stream, so there's no point looking at that one. Oil sell, bottom of the orb. Let's take a look at that. Okay, oil sell, bottom of the orb, FVG fill. How do we like this one? I think that's a potential, right? Let's see. Let's ask again. Chat trade oil. Start the poll. The poll is up. I will still trade significant money on these guys. I will still trade significant money on these. So there is a little bit of a gambling element here. But with the news, I'm not placing a trade myself. The chat's going to get a trade today. And whoever gives the trade, if you win, you get free VIP for a month. All right? All right, everybody likes this one, so we're going to keep this one for pool. That's good enough. 60% is good enough. You're the man, E-Edge. All right, so vote complete, 130 votes. Psych, you didn't give us an entry, Psych. I kept asking you. You didn't give us an entry. All right, Psych, if we win this, if it opens and we win this trade, you get free VIP for a week, okay? You get a week and the other guy gets a week too. Sell now. That doesn't work, Chester. You can't really give us a sell now trade in chat trades, right? Why can't we do sell now? Because we have to set up limit orders. We have to do a poll. So if you just say sell now on gold, I'm not going to do it. That's not how chat trades work. We have to take the poll. We have to ask the chat. We love the chat. I love the chat so much. Chat's gay. Oh, Trump, come on. Please look at USD ZAR. No one trades ZAR, bruh. Get out of here with your South African ZAR. Right? Is it South African, the ZAR? I don't know what the hell that is. We love the chat. A little too many Arabs in the chat, but that's okay. I'll deport you. Woo! I am so thirsty. The Arabs are rich. Some Arabs are rich. The rich Arabs are rich. The poor Arabs are very poor. If you are Arabic, though, I have an Arabic YouTube channel. And it's fantastic. They love it. We actually have over 40 members in our VIP Arabic room. There's an Arabic VIP room, and there's over 40 people in it. The Arabs love my signals. They want my trades. Shout out to you in Iran. Shout out to Armin from Iran. He's Persian. I do love Persian ladies. Persian ladies are hot as hell, I gotta say. Out of all of the Arab ladies, the Iranian women, there's something about them. You know, I see one of those Iranian women and I'm just on the streets waving one of those Palestine flags. Free Palestine. I love a Persian woman. Ooh, this is an Arab chat trade. All right, so where are we here? All right, we need another chat trade. NQ sell 23,405. NQ buy 23,410. We got opposites on NQ. Your CHF sell. Let's take a look at that one. 93785. This one's close. Vapul, you want to take this one? This looks all right. 93785-ish area. Who gave me this one? Your CHF. Put the Your CHF guy back on here. You want those Arabic signals? You got them. 93785. Chester X flips. Okay, Chester. Looks like you might be in on this one. It is chat trade. Chester, you gonna make me money here? Or are you gonna screw me? Let's see. All right, Chester's on the chat trade. Let's see. Let's see if we could get in on a chat trade. Chat trade. Everybody wants a chat trade. Something about those Persian women. Free Palestine. The only thing I don't understand about the Palestine thing is that none of the other Arab countries want them. I don't know why that is. I tried to watch a video on that the other day, and the video had no information. They told me, you know, this is why, and then I watched the video, and there's no reason. I'm still trying to figure that out. It is controversial. It is controversial, isn't it, Bobby? I just have no idea. Chester's looking pretty good with this trade. If we tapped in, we'd be doing all right already. Back to the Bible days? Yeah, that's beyond me. All right, guys. Yeah, we don't need to talk trades anymore. I think we've got 3 chat trades. Let's just watch these and see. I'll ask for more chat trades later if we need them. Thank you, guys. We have our 3 chat trades right now. We're just going to sit with these for now. The AUD CAD one's coming down. That's close. We had a US oil. That's far. And we have this one right here. So we have 2 that are pretty close. Chat trade. Are we gonna get a chat trade? John Abraham, no worries, brother. We're not taking any more chat trade recommendations right now, so you don't need to spam anymore. No need to spam anymore, guys. We are not taking any more chat trades. If I want more chat trades, I'll ask for them. Thank you, guys. All right, everybody, relax. Do you have any questions for me? Forex Factory. Yeah, this is for the news right here. You're going to want to favorite this page right here, okay? Now, let me hit F11 so you can get the link. forexfactory.com/calendar. Just favorite that page so that you could look at this every day. And then what you want to do is just come up here. You can see top right the filters. You want to just have the red one ticked, okay? Just the red one right there. Apply that filter, and there it is. It's going to give you that high impact news. And you basically just want to avoid trading a lot of these days. You know, tomorrow, look, we've got ISM, ADP, non-farm employment. You got unemployment claims. So it's a busy new week. We got non-farm employment, unemployment, average hourly earnings Thursday and Friday. So it's like Thursday, Friday. It's going to be tough to trade again. You know, the news does get in the way of trading. How's our chat trades looking? Looks like we might get into this chat trade here. Yeah, AUD CAD chat trade is the one that's coming close, isn't it? Chat trade, get your chat trade. Yeah, Ryan Damiani, that's right. Not for the faint of heart. Let's get some likes in here. We're a bit low on viewers today. Bit of a slow day today. They want to see me strip. Am I going to stream tomorrow? No, this is going to be my last day. I got to get working on some other stuff tomorrow. Did everyone see my deal? I came up with an idea last night. I couldn't sleep. So I want to get you guys trading. So I have a deal with the broker. I'm going to have to message the broker about this too. They don't even know about it yet. But this is for the next 2 weeks only. If you register my link to AAAFX, it's in the video description. Okay. If If you deposit at least $300, deposit more if you want. AAAFX will match that 300% bonus. So if you put like $500 in, you'll get $1,500 in your account. I'll give you free VIP FX and gold for 1 month. Just email team@forexrobotnation.com, proof of the deposit for access. Last month, 23 wins, 7 losses, 13.44% gain. I'm doing this to get people trading. I want you trading. It's September. Let's do some trading. So this deal is available right now. I'll create a landing page for it later today. Yeah, I believe so, Tim. Chat trade, chat trade. Can we get a chat trade? John, no, I just told you, I just showed you the page, bro. It just said minimum 300. So 100 is below 300. I know you're smart enough to know that. Okay, why would I not take this trade myself? The news messed up the price action for me, Vic. Deposit at least $300. Deposit more if you want. There's a 300% bonus if you want. If you put $300 in, you'll have $900 in your account to trade, and I'll give you free VIP and FX gold for an entire month. This is just to get you trading in September. Just a nice little deal. You don't even have to pay. This is going to be available for the next 2 weeks only. I've never done this before. I like. Yeah, in terms of, I think the bonus is if you put 300 in, they give you 300%. So then you have 900 in to trade with. That's how I believe it works. If it doesn't work that way, maybe you'd have to ask AAAFX. No, that's not. They wouldn't allow you to take it out. The bonus would not be withdrawable until it is traded, I would assume. Hey, Victoria. I don't know. I'm not really trading lift, just trading currency pairs. The $300 is not free. That's what you would be depositing, Chase. I'm not sure, guys. About the bonus, you guys are going to have to talk to them about the bonus. I don't know the bonus specifics. You don't actually have to take the bonus if you don't want to take the bonus. The bonus has nothing to do with what I'm talking about. Okay? If we go to here, see, this is the bonus. If you want it, you can claim it. You don't need it. To get the free VIP, you just have to deposit at least $300 and make sure that you registered through my link, the link in the video description. That's it. You want the bonus, you could get the bonus. You could talk to the broker, say, how does the bonus work? If you know something about the bonus, you could tell me about the bonus. I don't know. I think you have more in your account to trade with. Yeah, that's what I believe it is. All right, who gave us this chat trade? We're almost in. We're 1 pip from in. AUD CAD is a short. What are you talking about? This is a long. This is a chat trade. This is a chat trade, guys. The strategy I'm using is a chat trade. This is not my strategy. This is a chat trade. What is a chat trade? Did I go on sell on US oil? US oil was here. These are all chat trades. I'm not trading the news today. Oh yeah, no worries, Chase. Appreciate you, big dog. Yeah, I'm gonna definitely be doing prop firm at some point in time. A chat trade I feel like is pretty self-explanatory. The chat picked the trade. So I asked the chat, what trade do you want me to take? They gave me trades. I took polls with the chat, and then I placed the trades. That's a chat trade. How to contact the broker for the bonus? Well, John, if you only have $100, you can't get a bonus, right? I told you that. I like to trade the orb with pullbacks to levels of supply and demand as my main strategy, and then obviously using price action and discretion. Are we getting into a chat trade? Honey, shut up. Barking ass dog. Chat trade, chat trade. Will we get the chat trade? I'm surprised people don't know what the chat trade is. I guess I have to like add more text to my screen or something. Chat trade explanation. Let's do this. Well, we gotta select the font. Let's take the font way down. How's that look? I put that on the chart. Forex Fury is going great. Will I be doing any updated videos? Probably in a couple of months I'll be doing some updated videos. The current settings are working really well, so I'm just happy to leave Forex Fury the way it is. A lot of my focus right now is on my Trade with Pat robot. I've been working on that for about 7 years, and that's going to release probably in mid-October. Chat trade, gotta get a chat trade. I like MetaTrader 4 personally. If you're going to use the VIP copier, you want MetaTrader 4. Oh my god, this almost tapped in. That would have been a good looking chat trade if that tapped in. Sniper entry with the chat trade. What's our other chat trade? Your CHF. This one came pretty close too. Our chat trades look pretty good, I gotta say. Look at, like, we didn't get in, but shout out to who gave those chat trades. Like, those are TP1s on pretty much both of these. That's too bad that we didn't get in there. Look at that. That would have been what a hell of a chat trade if we got in. AAAFX has MetaTrader 4 and MetaTrader 5, Andreas. AAAFX is the broker. MetaTrader is the platform. Pretty much 50% of traders 50% of traders trade on MetaTrader with thousands of different brokers. Yeah, so oh, what a chat trade. Mansion's looking real good these days. Real good. What's going on with gold? Yeah, these are all chat trades. Everything is a chat trade. Didn't come to my gold level. We did break the range now, but my gold level is much lower. You can see right there. Look at these chat trades. They would have been perfect. All right, let's go over the deal while we wait still. So this is something that we're doing. You're the first people to hear about this. I haven't mentioned this to anyone else yet. So this is the free VIP broker deal. It's only going to happen for the next couple of weeks. It may only go for 10 days. If you register through my link, the link in the video description, to AAAFX, the broker, and you deposit at least $300, you can deposit more if you want. You can claim a 300% bonus if you want. You don't have to. If you deposit at least $300, I'll give you free FX and gold for 1 month. Last month we did 13.44% at 23 wins and 7 losses. We won a VIP trade this morning. Once you do the deposit, just email team@forexrobotnation.com, proof of deposit for your access, okay? Really that simple. If you want to get started trading in September, that's a good way to do it, all right? Oh my gosh, guys, look at this. Who gave this trade? Who gave this trade? Yeah, that's correct. That's correct, Lavone. Mo13, you gave this trade? Oh, man, Mo13. You rule. I'd give you free VIP, but I already gave you free VIP. I think you're already on a free week, aren't you? Can you explain about the deposit again? So basically, just if you deposit $300, that's it. So if you register through the link, and then if you deposit $300, and then you email me proof that you deposited it, I'll give you a VIP for a month. It's that simple. And that'll kind of get you started in your trading journey here in September. Vic, stop jorking it, please. We'd all appreciate it if you stopped jorking it. All right. I think that's it, guys. I think I'm going to roll. Yes, it starts today. If you want to do the broker deposit today, you can do the broker deposit today. No, I think you could go up to $1,500, and I think you could still at $1,500 get 300%. If you're not sure, just use the chat. Ask the chat on the website. They'll know. No, I already traded today, Rum. I traded today 5 minutes into this. How to contact the broker for the bonus on the website. There's a chat. There's a little chat in the bottom right side of your screen. So I'm pretty sure US is accepted, Lavone. I'm pretty sure we have US clients on AAAFX. But, you know, ask them if you're not sure. Just ask them or register. Just go to the website, register, and then decide. I always deposit in crypto. So to deposit in crypto, click the link in the video description. I'm pretty sure Lavone, but again, just go to the website and sign up. You know, if it doesn't let you sign up, then it doesn't work, right? If it does let you sign up, it does work. It's not really rocket science here. If you're interested in it, just do it. Throw that spaghetti at the wall and see if it sticks. All right, guys. So that's it, I guess. I think that's it. Well, I got some work to do today. I got a lot of videos coming out. I've got a lot of adjustments. The gold trading strategy video should be out tomorrow, so I've got to finish working on that. I want you to watch the whole video tomorrow when I get that out. And I will be sending a link to the Telegram. Make sure you're in the free Telegram. I'll post a video on how to get the bonus and how to get all of this stuff, okay? Thank you so much, guys. Hopefully see you trading next week on here. And, you know, follow me on Instagram. I'll be posting some stuff. I'll stop by the mansion soon, and we'll be posting some stuff on there. Join VIP, join forexfury.com. I got nothing else to say, but I love you, and I will always love you, okay? Win some trades for me. Win some trades for you. Have a good day, everybody. I love you.